Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to see someone's story on Instagram anonymously. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! So, wish to have a sneak peek into someone's Instagram story without them knowing about it? What about saving story? Or how to see someone's story without them knowing. It's very simple. First of course, we have to open our Instagram. First, I will show you two ways. The first way to see someone's story without them knowing, you can upgrade your Instagram to Instagram Plus. So, I will show you the benefit of Instagram Plus. You can go to here. You can go to your subscription and you'll find there's a subscription Instagram Plus. And here you have benefit preview stories. So you can take a quick look at stories with a mini preview so that you can decide whether to dive in without appearing on the viewer list like this. So you can just press on their profile on the story like this. You can press so you can check their story like this. It's very simple, right? And if you don't want to upgrade your story, your Instagram account to Instagram Plus, you can choose. You can just do this way. So you can just maybe I want to check this story without them knowing. So you can open the story at, on here. You want to check this story, you can. So I'm sorry. So you want to check this one, you can open in here and you can just take a peek like this. It's very simple, right? So you can see their story without that account knowing that you just view their story. Let's try again like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check someone's story without them knowing. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.